Okay, it's an actuator. Would you have recognized that as an actuator? You wouldn't have. But the OCR did pick up the item number and the brand itself, and just maybe to go, yes, full product name. It did get the naming convention, the noun and the modifier. Let's just see at accuracy. So AI vision is good, data completeness, attribute extraction, product identification, image of the quality. The user won't necessarily see this, but this would be records that your master data managers or the people that curate the data before they bring it into the main database would have a look at and say, okay, we're happy. This information is good. So this human in the loop functionality that we've built into the product really adds a lot of value and ensures that you don't go into sort of a hallucination state.